Hi there! These are the newly launched Aero Luxe Earbuds from Fire-Boltt, and they offer premium features without breaking your bank account. They come with 13mm drivers that provide a rich audio experience, 50 hours of battery life, low latency gaming mode. Then we have quad mics that offer impressive ENC, and the price at just $999. Ain't that cool? Now, I've been using these earbuds for a couple of days. Let's have a closer look at them, the build, the design, the sound, and everything about it, so you can ultimately decide if you should buy the FirePods Aero Luxe Earbuds or not. Let me take you through a quick unboxing experience. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the earbuds right here. Some key features are mentioned on this side. We'll cover them further in this video. Some more specifications. Towards the back, you can see some more features. QR code for the companion app. This is the polar white color and the MRP is $9,999. But don't worry, you can get this for just $999. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then you have a USB A to C charging cable. Then you have a card which has two QR codes. One is for the user manual, one is for the app. And there is another QR code which is you can win a free movie voucher by scanning this with Book My Show. I only wish they provided extra ear tips of different sizes along with the earbuds. Alright, let's have a closer look at the case. So we have the polar white color and there is the Fire-Boltt logo right in the center. There's an LED light at the bottom. You can see a chrome bar that runs throughout the earbuds. Looks very nice and premium. Polycarbonate case. It's also really nice and compact, easily fits in your palm. Just love it. Towards the bottom here is the USB-C port to charge the earbuds. Right on the top is the lid, which you can open with just one hand. I find this really convenient. The hinge is also solid. Check that out. Right here, you can spot the earbuds. Let's quickly remove them and have a closer look. So here are the earbuds themselves. So as you can see, this comes with a stem and a buds design. The stem comes with this chrome finish, which looks really premium. The body is matte white and it looks really nice and clean. The stem though has this chrome finish which will attract some fingerprint or smudges, so that's something you'll have to keep in mind. You can also spot the LED light on the earbuds. Right now they are in pairing mode, hence the blue and red light that you can see. Each earbud comes with two microphones which should be great for phone calls. Overall, the build quality and design are really good. These earbuds come with IPX4 rating, so it's water resistant against splashes from any direction, making them suitable for sweat and light rain. However, keep in mind that they lack any kind of dust protection. Then it also comes with Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life and more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SBC and AAC codec support. When it comes to pairing, there's no Google Fast Pairing support. You'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. So first thing is to remove the earbuds from the case and they will enter pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, you'll see the Aero Luxe show up, click and pair. Now go to the App Store or Play Store on your Android phone and download the original sound app. In here too, you'll see the Aero Luxe show up, click and you're ready to use the earbuds. More on the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Then we also did the head shake test. I mean, chakkar aa jayenge, but clearly they're not going to fall off easily. They get a really good grip. Alright, let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that they come with 13mm high definition dynamic drivers. Now, let's talk about the experience. So, the experience would depend upon the preset you choose from the companion app. Currently, we have set it to default, which is a very balanced profile. It has good amount of bass, it's punchy, but it's not super deep. The good thing is there's no distortion even at high volume. Vocals are crisp and instruments sound quite clear. But I wish they sounded tad better. The good thing is you can custom set the equalizer, which will drastically improve the bass and highs. This is something you can tune as per your preference. However, keep in mind that the Aero Luxe earbuds don't come with ANC. But since the earbud seal is so good, it cancels out most of the sound from the outside world. It's not as effective as active noise cancellation, but that's the best you're gonna get at this price. We also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Aero Luxe earbuds. There are 4 mics in total, 2 on each, and they support ENC. So when you're on a phone call outdoors, it will cancel out all the disturbances and make the vocals sound crisper. They work really well if you're someone who wants earbuds for phone calls. Then these earbuds also come with tap gestures to control the audio. You can change the tracks, you can pause play the music and even change the volume. Yes, you can also custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. When it comes to latency, Fire-Boltt claims 50 milliseconds, which you can enable by toggling on the game mode from the app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. It actually felt very seamless. Similarly, while watching movies, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync. Now watch Instagram Reels for hours with zero audio delay. Let's have a quick look at the original Sound Companion app. So right here you can see that the Fire-Boltt Aero Luxe is connected. You can see the battery percentage of each of the earbuds. Then this is Find Device. This is going to be helpful. So you can find your earbuds, you can even play the sound, you can find it by navigation. I think this is a very handy feature to have. Then of course, game mode can be toggled on and off right from here. Then you have equalizer setting. Here you have some presets. There's default, popular, dance, classical, jazz, slow song, and you can customize the equalizer as well as per your preference. This is so cool. Then of course, key settings, those are tap gestures. You can tune and set the tap gestures of both the earbuds separately as per your preference. Then you can change the name of the earbuds, OTA update, you can reset the earbuds as well. The app itself ain't very complicated. It's very simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 400 mAh battery, while each earbud houses a 40 mAh battery. Fire-Boltt claims it will last for about 50 to 60 hours with the case. Now those are really tall claims. How does it stack up in real world usage? Well, it would depend upon the volume you're listening to music. If you listen at 50 to 60%, you'll sail through 45 hours easily. In fact, even on a single charge, these earbuds lasted me for about 6 to 7 hours. I think that's really impressive. It also supports fast charging. 10 minutes of charge will get you 5 hours of music playback. I mean, you can't ask for more. Alright, final thoughts. Now, for $999, you actually can't complain, but if I had to still nitpick, I miss that they lack dual device connectivity support and Google Fast Pairing. However, what you get is impressive audio fidelity, low latency gaming mode, and ENC that's a lifesaver if you're going to use earbuds for phone calls. The FirePods Aero Luxe are already on sale, available in multiple color options. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even two, one for home and maybe one for work, you should definitely check these one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.